Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a radio from Canada. This comes from Don in Fort Macleod, Alberta. That's in Canada, of course. Looks like it's out of a 70 Challenger Charger R Barracuda. It doesn't specify here. Bought from eBay, not sure what works. So we've gone through the repair process. It's just repaired to original stock AM-8 track. Let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure the AM works. I've got it set to the one strong station in my area.
Task Force will participate in DUI saturation patrols
Okay,
in conjunction with the 4th of July holiday weekend.
Prescott Valley Police
Balance
Department
left.
efforts start today and run
Balance
through
right.
Monday. Spokesman Officer
Left.
Jerry Ferguson describes
Right.
what these efforts will focus on.
Okay.
Occupant
Don't need
restraint,
this
impaired
anymore.
driving, speeding
And we get two very weak stations
increased patrol
around
efforts will be
here, so let's
focused
try
along
those.
State Route 16 and as the
One weak station.
We've had Blue Star as
And
a
two
family
weak
for years.
stations.
It works on everything.
Okay, so we'll go back to the strong station just for fun.
They're no longer in effect starting today.
Okay, let's try the 8-Track.
Okay,
That's it.
National Forest
Neil Sedaka
officials are
here.
lifting their closure restrictions.
Okay, change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, customer has a track change plunger, so I'm going to have to use a screwdriver instead. Okay, end of a song there. Okay, end of a song there. So we're going to stop it there. And normally you pull on the eject plunger to eject the tape. Turning the unit off also allows you to grab the tape. So we'll do it that way. We'll make sure the radio comes back on.
Parade is celebrating 50
And there's
years
our
of
radio.
Junior Bonner, which was
Radio.
filmed in Prescott in 1971. 50 years ago, Junior Bonner was released nationwide.
Okay, I
and
want to
it
make
was
sure
a
the
big
dial
picture
light
for
still
Steve
works.
McQueen
And we are good, ready to go back to the customer. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And you can reach me through my website below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling with a bunch of questions, because now there's like 12 different options for fixing the radio. There's just no time to discuss all of them during a quick phone call. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Don, for your business all the way from Canada. And we'll see you guys next time.